Hello, welcome back. Um, this video will be about how to switch your video and audio settings um, if you need to. So if you want to change or uh, check your audio settings, you go down to the bottom left-hand corner and you'll see a little arrow next to the speaker icon. You click on that. And this shows you your audio settings. So here you can see the microphone, it's using my laptop's microphone, and the speaker, it's using my laptop speaker. And then here you can see if you want to test your speaker or microphone, if they're not working well, you can use this to test it. So again, it's just this button here. Now, if you don't want to use the microphone on your laptop, maybe there's background noise where you are or your laptop microphone isn't working, you can use a headset or you can use headphones. And it's very easy. You just take your headset, you plug it in on the side of your computer, and that switches your audio settings. Now, usually the settings will change automatically, but if they don't, then again, you just go down to Settings here, click on the arrow, and you can see that the microphone, and this is through the headset, and the speakers, I can switch to the headset, or I can switch them back to the laptop. And the same for the microphone, I can switch it to the laptop, or I can switch it back to the headset. If you want to change your video settings for any reason, maybe you have an external camera, it's the same thing. You come down here beside the video icon, click on the arrow, and then you can change your video settings. So I only have one camera, but if you have more than one, then you can select it from this menu here. All right, that's it. Thank you very much.